Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sister. So, my name is Nur Alam. Welcome back to English Habit. So, today I am going to talk about today's weather. Uh, today's weather very sunny, hot. Okay, as you can see, my uh, health is already okay. As you can see, and today's room very hot. Okay, my fan turn off because this time I record video uh, when noise not come here. Okay, videos. So I hope I understand my talk. So, and as you can see beside window, okay, uh, today's outdoor weather very hot. Okay, today's almost uh, 20 after 20 days I go to my college and New Market Nilkhat, some buy book, okay, and some papers buy. So that's why I went to market. Okay, so today's feelings very good. Wow. Okay, and I uh, went to bypass journey, but bus journey I am not happy because I hear bad smell. Okay, and so that's why I cannot easily uh, come and go journey. Okay, so always uh, me comfort uh, bike or uh, rickshaw. Okay, so me very comfortable. Okay, but today's situation is very bad, so that's why I went by bus journey almost 35 to 40 minute journey uh, because my home to my college campus Dhaka College almost I don't know how kilometer. Okay, but no jam, no traffic jam, so time is very few. Okay, only just 35 or 40 minutes enough. So today's weather very sunny, hot. So but first time bus indoor, uh, no no people. Okay, all seat empty, but only just 2 or 3 minutes after all seat book. I am very shocked. Okay, so today's journey very amazing. So thank you so much. Next video, see you soon. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.